welcome back. Welcome back. We are in major need of some TLC on this hair right now, so that is what we're about to do. I am on day 6 hair. Day 6 hair, I washed my hair on, wait, is that right? Yeah, washed my hair on Saturday, and today is Thursday, so day 6 hair. We're about to give ourselves a blowout at home because when I take this messy bun down, you guys, it's not going to be pretty. It's just not. So we're going to get it taken care of. So whenever y'all hop on, make sure you guys say hello, hit the share button. We do have giveaways for you guys, so definitely make sure you share, comment below, say hello, all the good things. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Hey, Jessica. So today we're going to be using the blow dry brush. And I love this. It's like, it brings me like how a man gets satisfied from like yard equipment, like weed eaters and lawnmowers. This is like a girl's weed eater and lawnmower, right? So we're going to go in with some of my favorite hair care products and we're just going to get started. So this is day 6 hair. It has literally been in a messy bun pretty much since the day I washed it. And like, this is just the reality right now. Okay. This is the reality and we're going to fix it. We're going to make it all nice and better. So something I will share with you guys that I have been using on my hair, I think I share this every single time I do a hair tutorial. Hey Meg, hey Jessica, hey Allie, is the Don't Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. And right now you can bundle and save on 3 hair care products for 35 bucks. So if you're looking for some good hair care or you need some restocks, this is the time to do it. So I'm just going to love myself generously with the Dirty Gal Dry Shampoo. This is something that before I started using Foxy Bay, everybody told me I needed in my life. And I was like, I don't know, I'm not a dry shampoo girl. Like, I always had super blonde hair and I didn't have like rooted blonde hair. And so I could kind of go a long time without even using dry shampoo because you can't really tell your hair is greasy if you're super blonde, if you know what I mean. And so I was like able to get away with it. Well, now with like darker roots, I'm like, nah, I needed something good. And so now we've got the Dirty Gal Dry Shampoo in my life and I am over the moon excited about it. So I spray it all where I want it and then I massage it into my roots. Excuse me. And then we're going to brush it out and we're going to get started. So one common misconception on this tool is that you have to have wet hair, and that's actually not the case. And I will be honest, in my personal opinion, this works best on like towel dried, little air dried damp hair or dry hair. I actually don't prefer it on super wet hair. I prefer it like towel dried a little bit and all of that stuff. So make sure you guys say hello whenever you hop on, hit the share button. We are doing giveaways today. So, all right. So I have kind of got this all in my roots. And you guys, I'm going to tell you right now, if you're looking for a good volumizer, this is also a fantastic volumizer. And I've talked about this before. Whenever you spray this, it sprays out dry. So like my hand's not wet. A lot of dry shampoos will spray out wet and they don't actually do the dang thing, which I need it to do the dang thing. So I'm going to actually brush this through now. Hey, Brittany. Hey, Kaylee. Hey, Michelle. Make sure you guys say hello whenever y'all hop on. And we're going to give ourselves a blowout at home because day 6 hair needs a little loving. So I massage that dry shampoo into my roots and then I brush it all through. And then we're going to go ahead, hey, Tanya, and section our hair. So because this is day 6 hair and I am going for the blowout, I need to section my hair. I can't just kind of grab and go because we need it. Okay. We need it. So make sure you guys share whenever you hop on and let us know below that you have shared. And I'm going to go ahead and turn her on. You can tell she's loved, you guys. Like I didn't even clean her. Because I love her so much. So there are going to be 2 different settings and a cool setting as well. So I'm just going to crank her all the way up and just start going. And I will say, if you're somebody who's not super coordinated, hey Sydney, if you're somebody who's not super coordinated with like a round brush and a blow dryer, this is going to like make your life so much easier. So much easier. And I love this because I get so much volume as well as a nice blowout. I'm just gonna kind of spin. I've got a mirror kind of down here as well, so I can kind of see what I'm doing. And going to go back and forth. Make sure you guys share whenever y'all hop on and let us know when you share. And remember, we choose an hour. No, choose an hour. We choose a winner within 24 hours. So whenever you make a purchase on the website within 24 hours, that's going to be an additional entry into the giveaway. All right. So, got a nice little flow over here. Look at the difference. Insane, right? Insane. We're going to go in on this side. And I kind of do alternating. Thanks for sharing, Danielle. Hey, Michelle. I kind of go alternating ways. So I'll go underneath and then I'll go behind. And what that's going to do is that's going to create a little bit more volume for you. It's also going to help get a little extra hairs that maybe you can't get when you're going in one direction, especially those little flyaways underneath. And then I'm going to give myself a little extra volume, a little bit of a, you see that? Super nice, right? So we are already like so much nicer than we were, right? So we're just gonna keep going and then we're gonna section again. And so my hair is totally dry and I've got the, oh crud on a cracker. I forgot to spray my heat protectant on my hair. Oh, I was so focused on my dry shampoo. Let's go in really quick with the Cool AF heat protectant. It does not take a lot, you guys. One spray of this little spray nozzle sprays out so much product that this bottle will literally last you forever. So if you're looking for a good heat protectant that smells good and it actually works on your hair and you're not gonna go through it super, super fast, that's gonna be your best friend. So let's go ahead and keep going. And the one thing I really like about this tool is that I really didn't think it would be fast. I didn't think it would save me a whole lot of time. Boy, was I wrong. I was wrong. I'm actually gonna section this. We can make that happen too with some super good specials on the website. So that link above will always save you. If you ever are looking for a good deal, you guys can always shop at that link above. Okay, so once again, I'm just kind of going in opposite directions, and then when I'm almost done and I kind of want a little bit of volume at that end, I just kind of do a little curl, and you can see it just gives me a little bit of something, so it's not super, super straight, and I've got a little bit of body to my hair, and that's kind of what I like about it, is I've got body, and it's not like stick straight. So we're gonna go in this way, and just pick up a chunk of hair, and my goal is to smooth first and then add my body. So smooth out all of the kinks and then go in and add your body when you're done. So we're gonna go like so, just like this, go up underneath, and then what I'm gonna do now is just to add some body. I'm gonna grab it and twist it almost all the way around. Not all the way around though. You don't want like a, you don't want a what am I talking about? Like a knot. And then we're going to get a little bit of body there. And we're gonna get a little bit of body here. And just kind of twist. And just kind of twist and twirl. So now we've got some volume and some body that we didn't have before, which I love. I think it's so, so nice. Oh, I love this tool so, so much. All right, so we're gonna do the top now. This is where you kind of got to get a little creative if you're not used to doing the top of your head. So I'm gonna actually section on this side of my hair first, and we're gonna focus on this side. Oh, you know what? Let's do one little. Oh, I didn't even need that much on that side. And we're gonna brush through. And then you do wanna make sure that your heat protectant is dry before you start going in with any heat tools. You don't wanna burn any of that product on. You wanna make sure that your hair absorbs it nicely and it's dry before you go back in with your heat tools. So, grab this. And I will say this stuff smells divine. I love love the way that my hair smells after I use these hair care products. They all smell exactly the same, which I like, because I don't like when something smells super clean and then something smells super fruity, and then by the time you get done with your hair, it's like a little too much, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna twist and turn. And notice, like, there's really no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I'm just picking up where we're a little messy, and we're just kind of cleaning up the kinks a little bit. I wish my hair could look like that on day 6, and I would never. Okay, you have to train your hair, you guys. This is not something that I was just able to do. This is definitely one of those things that, like, I had to practice. I had to practice not washing my hair so that I'm able to get more longevity out of it. So what you want to do is, actually I had a friend teach me this. If you put dry shampoo in your hair the night before, so like go to bed, put it in your hair the night before, and because your body kind of does a reset at night. And so whenever you do that, it's allowing your dry shampoo to absorb the oils while you're sleeping. And then you've got to practice. So like for a week, go like every other day. And then like for the next week, maybe go every 2 days. And then for the next 7 days, go every 3 days. And you've kind of got to practice. And some days are not going to be pretty. Let me just be honest with you. But once you train your hair to love dry shampoo and train your hair to not produce as much oil, because think about it. If you're washing your hair every single day, what is your body naturally doing? It's naturally trying to replenish the oils, right? So if we're constantly stripping our hair of all the oils, our body's working twice as hard to put those oils back into our hair. So your body is used to that. So you've got to train your body to do something different. So you kind of have to work through the training period, and then you're going to be good, I promise. So let's keep going. And kind of go both ways, and then we will do a little twist at the bottom. Okay, we've already done that. Let's go up here to these little kinks and curls. So it's literally been in a messy bun for like 6 days, you guys. I've not straightened it or curled it. The only thing I did after I washed it was I blew it dry. So I can go to sleep, and then it's literally been in a messy bun every single day since. So we're gonna get those little pieces around my face, and then we're gonna start working with these pieces up top. And like I said, I prefer this tool on like towel dried damp hair, like a little air dried, or dry hair. I don't really prefer it on super, super wet hair. So I would always let your hair dry just a little bit, and then go in with this tool. It's like my favorite way to use it. So you can see that my ends aren't really straight. I kind of have a little bit of volume to my ends as well. And then we're gonna go in and just kind of fluff, and then we'll see if we need to touch up anywhere extra, like right here. I probably just curled a little too early. So what we'll do is turn her back on. And just kind of soften that. Right here, my face needs a little smoothing out. Look at the volume. Like, I can't even be mad. I have a really bad cowlick. Let's fix that. And then we'll smooth this part out. Look at the freaking volume, you guys. Like, I can't, like, how can you be mad at this? It's so nice. It's so, so nice. It's so smooth. I've got insane volume, and like a blowout at home. And I'm not a hairstylist. I've never done hair professionally. I've only done it for fun. And I love this. I think it's so pretty. I can curl this right behind my ear, still have volume back here on this side. And it was truly, truly that easy. So I'm done. It's seriously that easy, you guys, just to get a nice little voluminous blowout at home, just to smooth out your hair even on day 6. So I'm going to hop off of here. Make sure you guys share this video whenever you hop on, and remember, you've got 24 hours to enter the giveaway, and if you purchase from the link above within 24 hours, you have additional entries. So I'm going to hop off here. If you guys have any questions, you can send me a message. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.